Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and well, we haven't looked at the numbers yet, and so this is what we are looking at, numbers for Windows market share. And we do take a look at this every month when we start a new month. So what are the statistics of market share according to StatCounter Global Stats? So, big jump in Windows 10. Kind of interesting. So we are 6 months away from Windows 7 end of support. Is this an indication that Windows 10 will have a huge jumpstart due to the fact that people are starting to panic or wonder what to do with Windows 7? So for the month of June, June 2019, 58.21% Windows PCs around the world were running Windows 10. 58.2%. But look at this. When you look at the graph, last month, May, 56.77. So this is a 1.5% jump, which is pretty good. If you consider that the month before, 15.59 was roughly, 0.75%. Now we've got a 1.5% jump, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Windows 7 is still on 31.96%. That, if we look at the months, so 33.78 in April to 33.3, that's roughly close to 0.5%. 31.96. It kind of goes with Windows 10 now really getting a much better market share, because Windows 7 has dropped more now in the last month. It has dropped faster. 33.3 to 31.9 is 1.4% roughly. So is Windows 10 being accelerated by the fact that Windows 7's demise is accelerated? Of course, we can't take just 1 month and say, yeah, that's what's happening. But it will be interesting to see August and September and October and see where we are at with this, because this is kind of cool to see that Windows 10 is moving so fast. And Microsoft is probably very, very happy. So Windows 10 is the dominant Windows operating system. It's official, and it's interesting. But we can't, we got to say that 32% for Windows 7, it's a lot of computers. We are 6 months away, and 1/3 of all the computers around the world are still on Windows 7. And that, you gotta think about it, because it's something that is still a big number, and I don't see this going below 20% by the end of the year. So that means by the end of support next year, at least 1/5 of all PCs will still be on Windows 7. Going to be interesting to see the stats on this. Windows 8, 8.1 that I like to kind of put together at 7.5% roughly. Windows XP still at 1.71%. Windows Vista 0.58%. So that's kind of interesting, and these numbers are pretty much stagnant when we look at the older operating systems. So it's kind of interesting to see that Windows 10 is kind of having a little jump start. Windows 7 is actually declining faster. It's going to be interesting to see the next months what's going to happen with all of this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.